In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the sad reverse lights you've got in the back of your Jeep Cherokee with some of the brightest bulbs in the world. Let's get started. Most vehicles today only have 2 reverse lights. If you've got a Jeep like this, you're fortunate enough to have 4 of them, and today I'm going to show you how to put the brightest reverse lights in the world in the taillights of this thing. You need a T30 Torx bit to get this taillight out. And if you grab it and pull it out toward you, it'll pop right out like so. The reverse light is right here. We're going to remove that. And in its place, we're going to be installing the GTR Lighting 1000 lumen reverse lights. Now, this is a pretty dramatic difference here, and I'm going to show you what it looks like against the wall in a little bit. You're not going to believe the brightness difference between this guy and what you had in your Jeep. Now, the way that this bulb works is it pressure fits into the hole that your original reverse light came out of, and this little pigtail plugs into the original socket. It's really a cool design. I'm going to show you how it goes together exactly here. Here's the original spot. Let's press it in like so. Plug it in just like that and put your taillight back in. There's just enough room for all that to fit back there. Go ahead and throw the screws back in it, and we'll move on to your other reverse lights. One thing you're going to notice when you get all these bulbs installed in the reverse lights of your Jeep is you're going to get a little warning on the dash saying, hey, you've got a light bulb out in the rear. As of today, there is no fix for this. It's a minor inconvenience. It only happens in reverse, and hey, you're not looking at the dash anyways when you're driving your truck backwards, so it's not really that much of a concern. It's just something you should be aware of. Your reverse lights will work properly, and they will be very, very bright. It really was that easy to do this reverse light. Now, the middle ones are just as easy. There's access panels on the left and the right. And if you take a flat pry tool or even a flat screwdriver and get in like so, you can pry this out, set it off to the side. Twist this counterclockwise, and it's the same socket that we dealt with behind the taillight. Same exact thing, same bulb. Take your 1000 lumen reverse light and install it just like we did in the taillight and plug it in. Now would be a great time to test your reverse light, and if everything works just fine like it should, put the cover back on just like this. As you can tell, I really wasn't kidding. Those are some of the brightest reverse lights in the world, and they really complete this Jeep Cherokee. If you need headlights, fog lights, turn signals, anything like that for your Jeep, visit our website at headlightrevolution.com. I'd be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching.